In the next 10 to 15 minutes, I'm going to demonstrate how to create a multi-page website for your family website. So first, we're going to log into the virtual desktop. Hopefully, you all can log into the virtual desktop by now. If you don't, please contact our system manager who send you email early. About your credential to access to the virtual desktops. Okay, once we log into the virtual desktop, then we'll see the folder of INFM 322. I'd like to give the permission to access. And we have images. In the last videos, I modified the process the images, get it ready for use. And then there is a content.txt text file, and I haven't put the content there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to see, okay, I have some content to talk about myself. So I'm going to just copy this here. Okay, put in the content. So I put my name there. So I put content here about myself, and then Michi, and about content about Michi, and I'm going to go to her site. This is just a demonstration. I hope you guys don't mind. I use your content to build the like a class family site. This is just making it more kind of familiar, y'all. Oops, sorry. Okay, oops. Really Michi. Michi have a, do you have about me? Okay, good. I'm going to copy this piece. And about her introduction. And I'm also going to go to Matthew's page and hopefully be able to copy a couple lines for Matthew. Okay. So I'm going to save this. Save this. Alright, so content is there. The reason I use a text pad for content is because it's not going to carry the special character like Microsoft Word, etc. So the first thing is, I think I set up the file from another virtual desktop. So we're going to start with, again, for Dreamweaver, and with where we set up the site. Start with site, new site. You don't have to do a new site because you already created a site. INFM 322 summer 2020. Okay, so I'm going to define the root folder is this, select folder, save. And so you should already done that. You have this index. This is the very first page. We'll leave it here or we close it, and then we still need to open it later to use it. Okay. So if you want to, if you don't comfortable to put everything here, you can create a folder called a family. Okay, so you can drag the content and image and put it into the family folder. Update. Okay, so everything for the family website would be the family folder. So what you're going to do is we're going to create a new template, HTML template, and with empty content. I'll save as. Family template. Okay, so once you save the template, you can see is dynamic web template. Okay, DWT format. And you can click on design to see the whole design, or you can click on split. So I'm going to keep on the design mode. And first thing I would like to do is I would like to say welcome to IFM 322 multimedia web design class family class family. Okay, then I'm going to put in the 3 hours name, 3 hour names, my name, and Matthew, and Michi name. So I'm going to is a list. Let me see if I can find the list HTML. Is a list. Okay, and then the next part is probably not. So sometimes I have to kind of get out the design mode so I can see where the list ends. This is a group of lists, so I have to move my cursor to the next line so I can continue with the paragraph. I'm going to, this is a class of web development. We are going to build a responsive website for desktop, tablet, and phone device. For example, it's a description of the course. Okay, so let me save this. And then it's keep asking me, you don't have any area to edit. So I said, okay, well, this is going to be a content area. And then on the bottom, so I'm probably going to insert, do they have a horizontal rule? No. Okay, I will put a folder here. Copyright. Well, copyright actually have a special character, so I have to put it here, ampersand copy, semicolon, and to show as the circle C for copyright. All reserved for 2020, for example, like that. Okay, so this would be folder area, and this is going to be header, and this is going to be probably the navigation. So those are probably not going to change, but this is going to change. So I'm going to select this area and go right mouse click and say template and enable get a new editable region. I would like to put this content right here. Say OK, and that's a content area. Okay, and I say save. All right, and then here I would like to make this as format heading 1, and then in this a page of my name, then I'm going to link that to my page. So when I create the page, I'm going to link it up. Okay, so save again. All right. So this is a template. So what we're going to do is, file is here. What we're going to do is we're going to create a new page based on template. New page HTML. And then say create. All right. So insert template. Template. Okay. Click on family template. Oh, wait. No. Modify. Sorry. It's nice. Modify. And then template. Apply template to page. So because we are trying to apply a template, so I select that family template and select. So this whole thing is come here, the whole description. The only thing I can manipulate here is this area, the content area. I define as an editable region. So within here, I'm going to first put my picture in. Where I have my photos here. To make it a document right away, you could. Okay. My picture. And then I have description of myself. Do I? I have content right here. Okay. So I'm going to copy this into here. Paste. Alright, so I'm going to save this. Alright. And what I'm going to save it will be my page .html. Okay. And then I'm going to close it. Oh, I'm not going to close the content. Then I'm going to create a new one. I'm going to file save as. Oh, sorry. File save as. Made sheet. Save. Then I'm going to modify, apply the template. So I'm going to delete the content here, and then I'm going to put my cheese picture here. And then after that, I'm going to put her description here.